Hello dear students, how are you? So I welcome you in today's lecture. So today we are going to discuss the phrasal verbs. Okay, so I have just tried to explain it in the more convenient way so that you can understand it better. So for that purpose, I have just tried to create some situations from my own side. Okay, so it will just help you to understand it better. So I have just created some situation which can be imaginary also. Okay, so something I have just related with each phrasal verb which will help you to keep that meaning in mind. Okay, so today we will just discuss okay how to deal that phrasal verbs which comes with verb come. So let's discuss first one, come about. Okay, which means happen. Okay, for example, come means ਇੱਕ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਦੇ ਵੱਲ ਜਾਣਾ। Okay, so come about okay means here you are explaining the process that how it happened, come about, how you came to know about this. Okay, so that information come about, how it happened, how did the incident come about. Okay, how you came about it. Okay, then come across means you are going somewhere. Okay, so by chance okay you came to know okay about something, or you find it by chance, come across. Okay, so it was not by attention. Okay, it was unintentionally. Okay, so find by chance, I came across my purse in the kitchen. Then come round means to recover. Come round, round means we can say circle. So everything in our life has a circle. Okay, so if it is something good, okay, it is not that it will always remain bad. Somewhere when it will complete the circle, okay, again okay you would be in the good situation, good time would be there. Okay, so come around means to recover, the patient is coming around. To change one's mood or opinion, so if you are happy doesn't mean that every time you would be happy. So here you would be sad, here happy, sad, and again happy, so this circle will going on. Okay, so to change one's mood or opinion, the principal is coming round to the view of the teachers. Come in, so this is the that word phrasal verb which we use our day-to-day life. Arrive, when does the train come in? So here no need to give you further explanation. To become involved in, come in means something was going on and you also became the part of it. Okay, when you came in, to become involved in something. If you want to come in on the deal, you need to decide now. Come into means something which was already existing. Okay, you just became the part of it. Into, okay, for example this is the room. Okay, you came and you just took the entry. Come into means something which was already existing. Okay, and you got it. Inherit means something which you get from your that parents. Okay, from your forefather. Okay, my friend came into his father's property. Come off, come off, so output of. Okay, come off means output of, be a result of. Okay, come off, how it come off. Okay, means how it happened, what. Here we are talking about the output, be a result of. His success comes of his hard work. So the come of means output, output means result. Okay, so you can just learn come off by keeping the word output in your mind. Come off. Okay, take place. come off means something which was happening before, okay, that came to end, and now something else is going to happen at that place. So take place. Off means finish. Okay, now something else is going to happen, take place. The ceremony did not come off. Okay, so come to be a question, how you came to this point, be a question or about. When it comes to giving time to other, he shies away. Okay, amount to, office expenses come to rupees 500 per day. Okay, come to, when you just want to calculate amount. Okay, come to, so what is the amount here? Rupees 500 per day. So come up. Okay, so here we are just talking about something psychologically. Okay, so you were in any kind of, so this is for example your brain. Okay, so you were in tension and you now trying to come out of it. Okay, you are coming, this is the any situation, you are trying to come out. Okay, out of this situation. So come up. Okay, to arise. Many problems came up during the meeting. Come up to means here means a certain kind of level. Come up to. Okay, so this is come up to. Okay, so be equal to, he will come up to the expectations of his teachers. Come upon means we can say here something which was already there and you just find it unexpectedly, or you discover it without any attention. Come upon means something was already existing. Okay, so without any consciousness, okay, you just discovered it or you found it. He came upon the hidden treasure in the abundant cave. Okay, so it can become on also. Okay, so hope so that this explanation, the situations which I have tried, okay, to make you understand the phrasal verb will definitely help you. Okay, so just try to relate the meaning, okay, by creating some situations. So this is the best method, okay, to learn the phrasal verb. Okay, so hope so that you will try this method. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.